is it always the bosses who are toxic? There's this reality na ang hirap pag-usapan, pero importante, no? Sa business, yes, it's a system for adding value, kaya tayo nakakabenta ng services and products. Pero ang gumagawa ng trabaho niya, lahat, halos, is people. So it's a people-to-people experience. And when we talk of experience, two-way lagi yan, give and take. So pag sa office, kung merong bosses, meron ding employees, di ba? Kung sa hierarchy, mas marami yung employees. So ang tanong, is it always the bosses who are toxic? No. Mas pinag-uusapan lang toxic bosses. For one of the reasons, kasi nga, sila dapat ang may control. The main reason, no, kung bakit kila pinag-uusapan talaga, is because there are more employees than bosses. Kaya, narinig lagi, side nung employees. And for business practitioners, for business consultants like me, we always find a way to gain a vantage point. So, paano ba ipaangat yung business at paano iangat yung results? Siyempre, we need to maintain people. But remember, people who are going to help the business ang i-maintain natin. If the people inside the business are no longer helping the goal in achieving our objectives, then magkakaproblema tayo.